Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen Android 10 system special phone Toyota Highlander 28 to 2014 years. Okay, let me unbox review. You can check head unit with good condition. This JBL harness and card. Okay, this is head unit 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen. Okay, let me introduce harness it first. Okay, this is JBL harness and canvas box. This canvas box for Toyota JBL amplifier. And please choose JBL when you buy head unit from our website. Okay, this connect to back of head unit. Okay, this is radio antenna plug. Okay, and this camera input for factory camera. Okay, and this steering wheel control and power and speaker. You can check. Okay, this is harness, and it comes with GPS antenna. You can check this GPS antenna, and this original USB. There are two USB cable and external microphone. This connect back to head unit. And this camera input adapter. Okay, this audio cable connect back of head unit, and this subwoofer. This video 1 and video 2 are set up. This video out, or this audio out, front and rear, left and right. Okay. This AUX input, left and right, and video input. Okay, let me show head unit. Okay, this drive agent. Okay, you can check this head unit. This is wiring diagram and the back. You can check this power, fuse, GPS, Wi-Fi, this audio, USB, and other connection. This radio antenna. Okay, you can check back. And then this side. Okay, let me connect power. Power 12 voltage. Okay, you can check head unit will be start. Okay, you can check this front head unit. Let me adjust to the Okay, you can check this front head unit. It's built-in receptacle and it's built-in microphone and SD card slots. There is SD card slots. Okay, this is volume button. This have function. And this knob button. You can search the radio stations, and this knob can check okay, so volume, mute. Okay, this radio, and all apps are here. You can check their built-in APK installer. Please take out this screen protector before using. It's 10-port RPS touch screen. Okay. And it's control setting. Light, time, radar, volume, and other factory control. And this DSP amplifier, this home button, this volume, this mute. Okay, and you can check this built-in Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store and Google Maps. This Speed Play for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Okay, it's vehicle information and built-in Google Maps. Let me check the setting. It's built in the Wi-Fi, and you can check this PX6, and the Android 10 system. Okay. Let me check the storage. You can check total 64 GB. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact us. Thank you.